Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're in Manuel's River and we're going to be crossing this bridge. We're going to continue on down. Whoa, whoa. Holy moly. She's springy. The bridge is springy, I know that. Hey, something different right there. Right there, something different. Ooh, let's go have a look. Hey, something is different down here. Look at that. Ocean Trail East. Center. We're going down here. Holy, look at this. Holy moly. What's this for, I wonder? Holy. Poor. Holy God. There's a lot of water running through that. Look how high it is. Holy. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, right over the rock. Holy moly. Hello. Oh, look like the river is overflowing the trail. Oh my God, look at this. Holy. Hey, what's this? We got something else new here. Holy moly. Yeah, we got a couple of ducks there. And the river is literally overflowing the trail. Hey, ducky duckies. They're stopping us from going there, and they're stopping us from going there. That's all it is. Holy crap. Well, let's go down here and let's have a peek. Let's skip this boundary. Whoa, I see why they got the fence up. Holy moly. Hey, look. Look, that bridge. They're telling everybody to stay off. Holy crap. Well, I guess this is as far as we're going till, well, we turn back and tries the other way. Holy God, look at this. We're gonna push it. We're gonna go as far as we can. I got my boots on. Yeah, guys, look at this. The path is literally like there's no path. It's underwater. Holy. Yeah, I got my big boots on. They're waterproof. They can go up to a foot high in water. They're waterproof, but I'm not gonna be here like, oh, I got waterproof boots. I can continue. Holy crap! That looks like it's starting to rise. Look. Yeah. Calm down, doggies. Well, everybody else is past the barrier, so might as well for me to go on. This side is up higher, see? Whoa. Yeah, I see why now the pad is covered. Holy moly. The river comes down to a bend like this and it's smacking right into that path. Now that's not saying now this path might end. This path might end just right there. Oh, what the? The ice is in, boys. She's after coming down a bit though, look. Look, that's where she was up here. She's after dropping down. I don't know what to say about that river. Holy God, look at this. Whoa. Holy moly. That's high. That's super, super high. Look at that big tree. And that's not fall down, that's the way he grew out across the river. And that one. Whoa. Oh no, don't tell me. This path looks like it ends. Holy crap, I think it does. Oh yeah. This is the end of it. Oh, this is as far as we can go. Holy crap, look at the path. Hey ducky. Look at the other two. Look, look, look. They're coming in. Oh, flat out. Butts to the ground. Oh, oh. Look, look, look. They're fighting. Give that up. Oh, they floating on down the river and they beat the beat. Oh, oh, oh. What the? Yeah, this is as far as we can go, guys. My boots are covered. Anyways, I'm going to end it here. I'm going to make a 10-minute video out of it. So, yeah, this is as far as we can go. Crap. And that goes down a long ways yet. Holy moly, that goes down a long. So both sides of the path, if you're coming down through Manuel's River, this is as far as you can get. Anyways, guys, yeah. This here is a beautiful spot. Oh man, a beautiful, beautiful spot. I loves it. Loves it here. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. I love you guys. Stay safe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. Bye.